Last week, I completed the Digital Marketing Fundamentals course offered by Google Digital Garage, and I got this badge or certification. So, in this video, I will show you my next steps after completing Digital Marketing Fundamentals. Hello everyone, I'm Anas Kafaji, and I document my journey in learning digital marketing, and I share everything I learn and lessons along the way. So, let's get started. About a month ago, I uploaded my first video on YouTube, sharing the start of my digital marketing journey. At first, I wasn't sure where to begin, so I did what most people do. I turned to Google and YouTube. I spent hours watching videos, reading articles, and taking notes. So I realized that before get started in digital marketing, I need to know the basics of marketing first, and then understanding marketing fundamentals become my priority. I started learning about customer behavior, branding, and psychology behind why people buy. Suddenly, digital marketing wasn't just about running ads or posting on social media. It was about strategy, persuasion, and knowing how to connect with the right audience. Then I decided to take the Digital Marketing Fundamentals course offered by Google. It covered everything from SEO and content marketing to analytics and advertising strategies. After completing the course, I earned my certification, or this badge, a small but significant milestone that gave me more confidence in my journey. So if you found this video helpful in your digital marketing journey, don't forget to like and subscribe. So what's next? Now I will focus on a specific area of digital marketing, whether it's SEO, content marketing, or PPC. There are many fields to explore, and I will choose what is the best for me. In fact, you can also choose what's the best for you. So I have attached a PDF with all the digital marketing services available. Check it out and find your path. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful in your digital marketing journey, don't forget to like and subscribe. And drop a comment, let me know where you are in your learning process. And I will see you in the next video.